First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Finally, the heavy rains have gone for a while, but we still have a chance of seeing more rain in the forecast once we get into the middle part of the week. Details on that coming up. In the meantime, it's good to see the radar rain-free for a change here. We have no rain anywhere close to us and everything looking good this morning. There may be a couple of areas of a little bit of patchy fog around the area lakes and rivers this morning, but other than that, we are looking really good. 67 current temperature in Bowling Green. As we check temperatures around south central Kentucky, Mesonet side showing 67. Up in Calhoun, E-Town up at 64. Columbia at 67. Albany at 65. You have 70 right now in Scottsville. Franklin at 69. Litchfield 67. And then Hopkinsville at 68 at this hour. As we check the hometown forecast today, we go to Rough River Lake up there in Breckinridge County, Hardinsburg. You'll see a high today of 88 degrees, only a slight chance of maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. Rain chances are only about 10 to 20% that's going to happen, so not very high. Litchfield, same thing. Down in Grayson County, 89 today. By the way, the Kentucky Powerball jackpot now stands at $80 million, while Mega Millions is an estimated $12 million. There's that beautiful sunshine this morning as we look live from Doppler Cam. Only seeing a few high clouds off in the distance. 67 degrees, current temperature with the winds calm. Pressure is rising. As we check some weather cams, we're still seeing fog up there in Munfordville coming off of the Green River, 65 degrees. And again, be careful around the rivers and lakes. Those will be the most prominent places to see a little bit of patchy fog this morning. Here's Franklin from our AAA Systems weather cam there on the square, 69 degrees in Simpson County. And then Glasgow and Barron County starting out clear with a temperature of 67 degrees. It's 68 at the Bowling Green Airport, 60s and 70s all up and down the Ohio and the Tennessee River Valley. As far as shower activity, few and far between, not a lot going on here. Scattered showers over Ohio, some in the Carolinas and the Virginias with an old boundary there. We're keeping an eye on these thunderstorms coming out of Iowa into Illinois. We think some of those storms could throw out what we call outflow boundaries. It's like when you take a rock and you try to skip it across the pond and it throws out those little waves. Same thing happens in the atmosphere when we get these thunderstorm complexes together. They tend to throw out these little waves or disturbances. And with enough moisture and enough daytime heating, which we'll have today, it's a possibility that an outflow boundary could pop a thunderstorm or two here later this afternoon. But as far as getting rain like the last couple of days, this is going to be very isolated in that one person may see the showers while the neighbor down the road 5 miles away doesn't get anything. And then after dark, everything just kind of fades away. We lose the heating. Tomorrow, replay, rinse and repeat kind of a thing, where you see the showers popping up with the heat of the day. Very typical July stuff here for us the next couple of days. Along with the heat and humidity, temperatures will be up into the low 90s. And we do have a new tropical storm, Chantal, that's way out in the southern Atlantic. And it's going to take several days. It's going to stay tropical storm strength as it moves through the Lesser Antilles, but it could affect the Dominican Republic, Haiti, and then take a turn toward the Florida Keys by Saturday, but it doesn't appear that it is going to become a hurricane. Mostly sunny today, isolated thunderstorm chance just thrown in there, 90 today. Then for tonight, partly cloudy with some fog, 72. Tomorrow, hot, humid, 92. With a chance of a late day shower, 89 Wednesday. The better chance of rain and maybe even some heavy downpours coming Wednesday night into Thursday. And that will cool us back down into the low 80s. But Friday and Saturday for now, and even much of Sunday, look pretty good with sunshine and highs in the upper 80s, which is where we're supposed to be this time of the year.